way it's going to be today. Yeah, and Milford camera freezing at times, although luckily temperatures are nowhere near freezing across the state as we have those above average temperatures to start off the day at 47 in New Haven, 46 at Bridgeport, 43 in Monroe, 44 Waterbury, and down to 38 in Winstead. So a little cooler there, but it's 40 in Litchfield, 40 at Stafford, and 45 in Norwich. So fairly mild temperatures to start off the day. And as Margot was mentioning, you get that mist out there, especially on any tractor trailers that are picking up that mist, but also the mist that's falling from the sky. A little bit of drizzle, some light shower activity out there so far this morning. So just be ready for that. It's going to be a little bit of a showery day, although it's not going to be like an all-day washout. This is not going to be one of those days where it just pours all day or anything like that, but we still will have cloudy skies and just drizzle. You know, you can walk around and drizzle, I suppose. It's not the worst. Out there as we go on through the afternoon, temperatures will get into the 40s to maybe near 50 in a couple of spots, but not particularly warm. Not as warm as yesterday and not nearly as warm as what we had on Monday, but still some drizzle and fog and above average temperatures. A little bit of a breeze developing as we go on through the afternoon and into the evening hours, around 10 to 20 miles per hour. Not terribly strong for the wind during the daytime hours, but then by tonight and into tomorrow morning, we get some heavier rain in here. Look at that, by 3 a.m., anytime after midnight or so, between midnight and like 6 a.m., we may be seeing some of those heavier downpours coming through. They're going to be coming up from the south. That wind will also be from the east. So we have a bit of gusty winds with some of those downpours, maybe even a rumble of thunder or two, and that'll continue all the way into the morning commute tomorrow. So this time tomorrow morning, we still may have some heavier downpours out there with around a ½ an inch to maybe 3/4 of an inch of rain. Could there be a 1 inch amount or two in some of those heavier downpours? Yes, but for the most part, I think we're keeping it around a ½ an inch for rainfall. And then that wind will continue as we go on through the nighttime hours tonight and into tomorrow as well. So the rain continues as well. A few of those downpours I was talking about, right around 2, 3, 4 a.m., sometime around there. The gusty winds around 15 to 35 miles per hour. So not like destructive or anything like that, but it's enough. You know, there will be a wind-driven rain out there during the early morning hours if you're going to be out and about early Thursday. Then as we go on through the rest of the day Thursday, we start to clear the skies out, but the wind does stay up there from the northwest at around 10 to 25 miles per hour, a couple of gusts up to around 30, 35 or so. So it will be a little bit of a breezy day as colder air starts to move in. So these aren't the temperatures, these are the wind gusts, and we may have some of those fairly gusty winds all the way into the afternoon on Thursday. We'll get some sunshine in here at least. Temperatures starting off in the 40s and then ending up in the 30s by the end of the day. So a noticeably chillier pattern coming in for especially Friday and Saturday and all the way through this upcoming weekend. So this is what you have, those 30s out there. Overnight lows in the teens and 20s, a little bit on the chilly side, but then we start to warm it right back up for Monday and Tuesday. So once again, a couple of days of some colder weather and then right back to the warm stuff. No significant chance for any snowfall these next several days, even though we have the cold. It's just going to be a quiet pattern for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. But until then, we'll look out for some of that rain today and especially by early tomorrow morning.